Wow, hold up. Let's start anew. Hey guys, welcome back to Draw With Me. Today I'm gonna show you how I created logo for myself. The entire process from wake up and makeup to posing, picking pictures, combining them together, and sketch and coloring. Well, let's get started. First step is wake up and makeup. I don't use any extra makeup here. Everyday natural look is all I need for my logo. And here's why I don't use filtered pictures for my logos and don't recommend you to use those. Because look at this. If I get lost in the forest and someone will look for me by this picture, they will never find me. Same as my customers won't recognize me on my own logo. So get back to posing. I also chose a tight-fitting top to better see the figure. And here you can see me posing with an iPad. I also took pictures of me holding pencil and a few close-up selfies. Now I need to review my gallery and choose pictures I'm going to use in my drawing. I'm definitely going to use this one with an iPad for the main posture, one with the hand for the hand posing, and one close-up selfie for highlights and shadows. Let's mix these pictures together and see how it works. I'm working on canvas 3000 to 3000 pixels, 300 dpi. I put one picture above another and playing with transparency to see how they work together. And somewhere in the corner, I'm placing my close-up selfie. Because I don't need it now, I'm going to use it a bit later. On a new layer on top, using my sketch brush in a black color, I'm going to fix lines. Also, I'm going to make this hand a bit smaller on my sketch. To show you sketch and coloring, I'm using time-lapse replay from Procreate app. As you can see, I copied the posture here, making the body a bit smaller. Because this hand looks too big for this picture. Also, I changed outfit to my everyday look. At this point, I'm choosing stylization for my logo. Here you can see a more realistic look, small eyes, big nose, big mouth. But trying to get more cartoon look, I'm going to make eyes bigger, nose smaller, and pretty much I leave the same shape of lips. Now I'm going to color my sketch same way I do in every video. So just enjoy the view. Well, that's it. here's the logo I made about a year ago. And this is the new version. Let me know which one do you like the most. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again.